Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how to create your makeup vanity in just 3000 rupees. Coming to the products, the first product I'm going to show is BB cream from Lenphor Cosmetics. It is UV protected, it has tea tree oil in it, paraben free actually. Then secondly it has vitamin oil and it has good color. The second product is compact powder from Lenphor. It is very light in texture and it has SPF 25 which shields harmful UV rays, plus it is enriched with vitamin E oil. Coming for eyes, I have timeless eyeliner from Lenphor. It is in the color black. We have 6 shades in this. It is very smooth on eyes. It's metallic finish, plus it's vegan, it's paraben free. The next product is Lash Check Liquid Lipstick from Lenphor. It has intense color payoff. It is long wearing. It has velvety texture. Plus, it is matte finish. So coming for the last product, I have blush from Lenphor. It is in the shade Coral Rush. We have 4 shades in this. And it gives medium coverage. It's phthalate free and vegan. And it gives natural look.